Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy lead generation with Real Geeks, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Real Geeks account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your lead generation tools. Click on the Lead Generation tab in the main menu. Select the option to create a new lead capture page. Choose your template that best fits your business needs. Customize the text and images to reflect your branding. Include a clear call to action that encourages visitors to sign up. Set up the required fields for the lead capture form. Make sure to include name, email, and phone number fields. Decide if you want to collect additional information, such as property preferences. Save your changes and preview the lead capture page to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your page live. Next, navigate to the marketing section to promote your lead capture page. Utilize social media platforms to share your new page with potential clients. Consider using paid advertising options to increase visibility. Monitor the performance of your lead capture page using Real Geeks analytics tools. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the data gathered. Engage with new leads promptly through the integrated CRM. Follow up with phone calls or emails to nurture relationships. Continuously optimize your lead capture page based on feedback and conversion rates. Repeat the process to establish multiple lead generation pages for different campaigns. Stay informed about new features and updates from Real Geeks to maximize your lead generation efforts. This method will help you build a steady stream of leads for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.